Now we're putting in the bolts on the other side. This is how you build a treehouse, sort of. Two amateurs, but one guy's a doctor, so you can't. This can't turn out that bad. One guy's a youth pastor and a
try
music
to
guy.
figure out the disaster. How Luke and Brad managed to kill hundreds of thousands of people just by building a treehouse wrong. This will be evidence.
Yes. There's River over there.
The greatest
He's too little to help.
disaster in U.S. history.
In a little while longer, he'll be 6 foot. But not now. He's only 3 foot. River, look over here. Look over here, boy. Look behind you. Wave. Say hi. I'm videoing you.